So guys, referring to the previous video I uploaded concerning the vibration and the noise coming from the driver's side strut mount, I have disassembled, as you see, completely the strut, and I bought some genuine branded parts, which is Blueprint. And as you can see, the old strut mount is just completely broken apart. Can you see? It's completely divided. And if you check the new part, as you see, it's totally broken, and this is a completely one piece. And concerning also the bearing, there is a slight play on the bearing, so as you see, it's moving. This is the new part, no play at all. So always buy genuine and good brands for your spare parts, because this lasted only 40,000 kilometers.